5%. Does that make sense?
Only one stock is up.
Yeah, no, 3 stocks are up, but major 14% is a very big move. Normally stocks don't move so much in a day.
Yeah.
So let's look at the Z chart. What has the Z chart done?
It has went above both 220 DMA.
Yeah. Yes. What else?
I don't know if I'll call this as an uptrend because I'll wait for one more candle.
Correct. You ideally should wait for one more candle because a 15% move on one day is a very big move. You shouldn't
Correct.
be taking the trade because 15% lot. It can go up further, but your risk to reward will become very high. It will not be favorable basically. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So this was your media index. Now I would not touch media index because the candle itself is not looking so good to me because it's come near resistance. See, can you see this? Okay.
Yeah.
So the next sector I'll look at is metals. Why? Because it's the second highest sector in the day. Okay, I'm giving you the reason why I bought it.
Yeah, because it's on the 20 DMA. Na?
Number one, it took support of the 20 DMA. Number two, it was a green candle. Number three, there was a bottoming tail. Number four is that the metal sectors on an uptrend. Does that make sense?
Uptrend. Yes,
Right?
yes.
That's it. That's what you need to know. Okay. So this trade you want to take it, you can take it. I would not say late, but your risk would be, your stop loss would be 123.40, your entry price would be 127. So your minimum target would be, your minimum target would be at resistance. Does this make sense?
Yes.
So you will get a 1:1 minimum. What I'm going to do is I am going to trail my stop loss to cost. Can you see my stop loss? What is my low of today?
So it was 120. Now
my
you'll
stop loss was
bring it to
120. Now what is
123.
today's low?
123.
So my costing is done. I'm not worried at all. What is my biggest risk?
Yes.
If tomorrow it gaps down 5%, then I can lose money. But that's okay. That risk will always be there. Does that make sense?
Yes, yes.
Are you understanding the reasoning why are we buying it? Why are we keeping our risk to reward? Why are we selling it? Why are we keeping our target? Why am I trailing the stop loss? Why did I buy it? What are the sectors saying? What are the markets saying? All of that has to be very clear before you enter the trade. Then if you get the trade wrong, no problem. But if you don't do your study, research, homework beforehand and you get your trade wrong, then you cannot blame the trade or the market. Okay? Because I told you in the probability game, 8 out of 10 times you will get it right. 2 times you will get it wrong. Markets will give you a whipsaw. But you need to make sure that you have the edge over the market. You don't have to better the market. You don't have to be better than the market. You have to have an edge. What do I mean by edge? That you need to be ready with your equipment and remember what I told you? When you're going into war, you should be well prepared. If you are well prepared, then the chances of you attacking are much higher. Otherwise, you'll be on the defense. Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's your metal index. You can go and you can look on this on even trading view. So your entry point should have been anywhere here. Remember what I told you? Near the moving average, not far away. Remember that?
Yes, yes.
You should be at or near, not so far away. If you enter so far away, your risk is there's a 90%, 99% chance you will get stopped out. You might get one big candle little bit, but your risk to reward will be very not favorable. I know it's tempting to take the trade because you feel like you missed out on it, but no, it's okay. You let this trade go because you will get you will get plenty of trades in the market. Plenty. You will get maybe even 10 trades a day. You will not get time also to take those trades, but I'm telling you that. And you can get even up to 100 trades a day. But I'm telling you 10 trades, also you take 1 or 2 trades also, now it's enough. Even if you miss out, no worries, you will get better. But your setup has to be correct.
Got it.
Let's look at pharma sector.